rigging up the 50cc for my son. About to redo the whole thing, clean them up. New plastics. That's what it's looking like, you know? We got the little 50 out. About to take this carburetor off. And let's see if we can get this thing started. Alright. We got our trusty 10. No. Nah, y'all do it. Take both screws out both sides and loosen the throttle at the top with some pliers. Bite this baby off. I don't think this is 50. I think this is something else. But we Gucci though. Now you taking this carburetor off and see how it look. Drain all that old gas out also. Y'all seen the carb like that before? Got two shutoffs, one right here and one right there. Oh, the kit, they got good compression. Good compression. So we'll see how it do. Let me see, we got the needle stuff out. Ain't looking too bad. Alright, now I gotta bust this carburetor open, see how it look. Don't look too bad inside. Pretty clean. It's just been sitting. Oh, this is an important tip about when I'm be working on carburetors. I only use a screwdriver because it be stripping them out. Until I break the bolt, then you can use a screwdriver. So I use this drill bit. I put it on the socket, just hit it with the ratchet, and break the bolt like that. Cause you get good down in them grooves. As you can see, you get good down. And that way you can break it good without stripping the bolt out or your screw out. That's one thing you don't want to do in a car. But let me open this and let y'all see it. Boom, we gotta open. Y'all see all this dirty, stinky. That's the gas. Pour that out. I'm gonna hit it, clean it up. Some carburetor cleaner. Then, you know, take the jets out, clean them. I got another carb. I just wanna clean this up, see if I can make this work, because I don't know if it's a 50 or a 90. Put down in the comments what y'all think this is. Like I said, comment down below if you've ever seen a carburetor with extra, I guess, a fuel filter on the side. It's not shit right there. We got this one too. Yeah, things cleaned up, jets cleaned up. Clean top of that car. Then put it back together. See what we got. Spray that out. Everything else clean. Yeah, this is crazy. So I said, is this a 50 or a 90? I don't know. Told me it was 50, so I don't know. Everything all cleaned up, back together. I'm about to put it back together and throw it on the bike. See if she crank. Gotta go out and buy another throttle. This one broke. Amazon. Let's slap that bad boy on. See if we get this thing running. Tried to crank it beforehand, but it wasn't trying to crank up, so Might need to get some air gas, some throttle. But I'll be back at you. Unscrewed it, pulled it out. That's what you get. Got the top off the carburetor. About to switch this cable out from the new one to the old one. From the old one to the new one. I mean, here we go. Let's see if we can get this baby running right quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She having a fuel issue. Yeah. Can't get no fuel. Yeah, we got it running, but we not getting no fuel coming out of here. So now we gotta figure out the issue was wrong with that. But she fired right up though. Alright, we got it back up. Let's see if we got flow. Got gas in there. Little update. We took the pit cock out. It was dirty. It had stuff all over it. It wouldn't allow fuel to pass through. So now we about to put it back up there. Maybe see if we can get fuel to go through it. But yeah, that's the pit cock. Just disassemble. Cleaned it up, carburetor cleaner. I'm about to put it back in and see what we got. As you can see, we got flow now. We got fuel flow. So I'm just about to connect this. I'm gonna redo that. The hose, because it's kind of. Come on, baby. So, put the new carburetor on. Got that thing running. She popping willies and everything. My son's bike, but it might be my new bike. But yeah, she right. On kick, shorty. Wash her up, new plastics on, like whole new bike. Yeah, she riding. She was smoking. Got the oil change.